So I use an iPhone XS. It's 3 years old and the camera is decent. I can take good photos. The problem is once I edit them, it destroys the quality really fast. I'll give you an example. So the reason this is happening is there's simply not enough information being captured by one photo from the phone camera. That's where Lightroom camera comes in. Now there's different modes in the Lightroom camera that you can use, but specifically in this video I'm talking about the HDR function. And this is how it works. You take your photo and expose for the subject of the photo. Then the app will take 2 more photos, one underexposed and one overexposed, and then it'll take those 3 photos and combine them. So even if you didn't get it perfect when you expose for your subject, you now have information from 3 photos stacked together to make your adjustments with. I'll show a few examples of what I could get with my phone. I am currently walking through the bush, but I highly encourage you to go out, use your phone, use the Lightroom camera app, and see what HDR photos you can get and how much more you can edit that photo versus just the regular camera app.
A song travels further than the singer who sang it. The sound of a church bell's not intended for the ears of the person who rang it. Gosh dang it, you don't see the full picture while you hang it.